Hello friends, welcome once again to this Tableau tutorial. We are discussing about logical operators used in calculated fields. Logical operators can be used to filter records on the basis of various conditions. The two main type of logical operators that we are going to use in this video are and or. So you will see some examples of how you can use and or operators to filter the records in Tableau. There are various ways of doing this or various ways of filtering records, and using and or logical operators is one of them. So we will create a calculated field that will contain records on the basis of conditions that we will apply. Now we will connect with the Northwind database. We have already discussed about it. So we will connect with Northwind database and Northwind customers.csv file. So in this file we have information of all the names and various type of details related to customers of Northwind database. So now we have customer ID, customer name, contact title, address, city, postal code, and country, and so on. And you can see on top of country, postal code, and city, we have these geographical values, or this icon represents it is a geographical value. We have ABC written over various fields, which simply means they are string values. And if a number is there, so although this is a phone number, but you can see it has hyphens in it, so hyphens and brackets in it. That's why it is also being considered as ABC. Now let's go to a sheet here. So when your sheet will be loaded, you will see these values. We have information of cities here and countries here, and we also have information of contact title. So let's see some record here first. So we will see contact name of the customers. These are contact names. Then we will see city here. So to which city they belong. So the name of their cities is written in the cities column, and country. You can see Spain, Germany. So we have contact name, city, country here, and you can see, for example, and Devon belongs to UK, France, and so on. And then we have this contact title as well. So for every contact name, we have contact title, country, city, and so on. Now let's say we want to create an equation. We want to find the details, and we want to find customers who are sales representative and from London. So suppose you someone has asked you to analyze name or probably count of those customers who are sales representative. So their contact title is sales representative and they are from London. So their city is London. So in the data you can see we have different contact title for every customer, and some of them are sales representative. So if you will click on this and click on keep only, so then also you will be able to find sales representative. As I said, there are various ways of filtering data. We have already discussed about filtering data by using this filters option here, but in this case we are using calculated fields. So let's create a new calculated field here. Now we have this calculated field and we want to use a logical operator and here. So we want to find sales rep and then So you can name this anything. I'm just showing you one example how you can create something like this. So these are sales representatives of London. So we are creating a new column here just to analyze them. So first of all, we have to select the contact title. So drag contact title here. Then we have to select name of city. So drag city here. Now the contact title should be equal to sales representative. I'm writing it down. Sales. So because sales representative is a string value, so we are comparing things here. So we are saying show us only those results where contact title is equal to sales representative. Then hit enter here. Now here you have to use an operator here which is called and now you have to write city is equal to and then provide the name of city that you want to filter. So now you have these two values. So let me copy this. So we have contact title is equal to sales representative and city is equal to London. So what you have to see here that these are two columns in the data table. Name of one column is contact title and one is city. So in our table, these are columns or you can say values. So in the data pane, you can see these columns listed with their data types. Now the thing is, we want to filter data and the condition is we have to meet two conditions and we want both of them to be true. So contact title is sales representative and city is equal to London. So when you will work in companies or when you will work on some real data sets, so different type of analysis will be there, different type of conditions will be there to analyze, and this calculated field and these logical operators and these comparison operators will help you in filtering those results, in analyzing those results. So now we have this data here, and now the next thing that we want to do is we just have to apply, and now you can see we have this value and okay. So the thing is when you will use and here, so you will see an is equal to sign and t pipe f, which simply means true false. So these are true false type of values. Now let's get rid of city here, country here, contact title here. Let's remove them. Now you will get true false type of values, and now when you will drag this, so what it is telling you is it is a Alexandra Camino. So suppose the name is pronounced like this, Alexandra Camino, and now false is written as this value, sales rep London. So this simply means that this particular person is not sales rep from London. You can click on these values. So you can see out of all these customers, only these three customers, Victoria, Ashworth, Thomas Hardy and Elizabeth Brown, these three customers are sales representatives from London. So this will give you information of which customers are sales representative from London and which customers are not, and you can analyze the data. So once again, let's click here and see this field. So we have this. Now let's say we want to add another situation here. Again, this may not be a very practical case, but we are learning things here. So we want to add one more situation here, that the name of that particular customer should start with V. So we will put another and here, and as we discussed in the previous video, if from any variable, if you want to select only the first letter. So you use a function called left. So we use left to select any number of letters from left. So write left, then put the variable. Again, the variable in this case is this contact name. So we will drop a variable here. So drop once again contact name, cut, paste. So left contact name, comma, and if you want to select the first letter, because we want to see whether the first letter starts with V, so first letter, so and left contact names first letter is equal to V. So now we will have those customers who are sales representatives from London and their name starts with V. So we only have one such candidate here, which is Victoria. So now click apply. You can see one dependency. Changes to this calculation might change the following sheet 1. We are saying okay, change the sheet 1. Now you can see in just in front of Victoria Ashworth we have true, because these are sales representatives of London with name is starting with a letter V. So these are the conditions. Now let's click this and edit this. Now I will get rid of this so that we again have those values as they are. Now next we are trying to create another sheet here, and in this case let's say the question is, or the to task is to find those customers who are either from UK or Spain. So you want to see the name of only those customers who are either from UK or Spain. So again, this and or this gives you information as true and false. But again, we will create another calculated field here so that we can analyze this. So create calculated field. So UK underscore Spain customers. So the name of this field is going to UK and Spain. In this case, we have to select values from the same column. So first of all, you have to select country, because name of, so we have to write country twice here, country. So in first case, the name of country should be equal to UK, and in second case the name of country should be equal to Spain. And here you have to put an operator or here. So put operator or here, which simply means any one of these if any one of these conditions is true, we will get the data. So in the previous case we selected 2 or 3 columns. In this case we are only selecting one column, but we are comparing different values of this column. So country is equal to UK or country is equal to Spain. Now what you can do here, you can simply apply this. Again, because it's a calculated field with logical operator and or, in this case also you will get true and false type of results. Now let's bring this contact name once again and bring this UK Spain customers. So you can see here that in place of this UK Spain customers, this Alejandra Camino it is true, because this particular customer is from Spain. Then we have Anne Devon and Eduardo Saavedra and whatever their names are. And you can also bring this sales rep London, so that you can see whether they are sales representative from London. So you can see Elizabeth Brown. It is true in both the cases because Elizabeth Brown is from UK, is from London, and is a sales representative. So, in such kind of data analysis, if you just want to analyze the data or visualize the data in this way, so these and or operators can help you.